Hey, welcome to this demo. On this demo, I will show you how to activate your Google Mailboxes for your cold email campaign with COLDINFRA. Today, we'll make this process simple and straightforward. In this demo, I'll cover the steps to activate your Google Mailboxes, including selecting your plan, adding your domain, verifying domain records, and creating your mailboxes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to use your mailboxes with any email sequencer like SmartLead, Instantly, Lemlist, or Reach Inbox. Sign up or logging into your COLDINFRA account. Choose your plan based on your monthly sending limit. Starter, 10 mailboxes, sending around 8,000 per month. Growth, 30 mailboxes, sending around 24,000 per month. Pro, 100 mailboxes, sending around 80,000 per month. 2. Add your domain. Navigate to the Domains section from left sidebar. Add your domain. This will initiate the process of generating TXT records for domain verification. 3. Generate and verify TXT records. Wait for approximately 5 to 10 minutes for the TXT records to be generated. Once generated, add the TXT records to your domain settings. If you need help, use our live chat section. Our support team will assist you in adding all the necessary records. 4. Updates SPF, DMARC, DKIM records. After adding the TXT records, you will see other records like MX, SPF, DMARC, and DKIM. Update all these records according to the instructions provided by COLDINFRA. 5. Create your mailbox. Once your domain is verified and active, navigate to the Mailboxes section. Create a new mailbox using your details. You can see the active domains in the drop-down menu. 6. Activate your mailbox. After creating your mailbox, it will be active within a short time. Sometimes, DNS propagation may take longer for activation. Once your mailbox is active, you're ready to use it with any email sequencer like SmartLead, Instantly, Lemlist, or Reach Inbox. Before adding your mailboxes to email sequencer, please activate your IMAP from Mailboxes settings. You have successfully activated your Google Mailboxes for your cold email campaign with COLDINFRA. If you have any questions or need further assistance, use our live chat or send an email to us. Thank you for watching.